Guys, Einsteiners. Ang buray na nakasaya.
Sino mas ako? Earn o Wilfred?
Mamaya ka na, bawal yan.
Video ako po. Oh my God. Ala, Orthodox before child. Ay, sayang.
Nag-uusapan ni Gio.
Okay, we're experiencing a drill of Code 11, so watch and learn.
Code 11 has been diminished. Continue in T minus 3, 2. Oh shit, coming again.
Sabi, agno.
Plastic. Nakapatay ng mga tao. Apa?
Kleptomaniac girl.
Oh, may baka na nakabasa. Oh shit. Wala yun.
How gay!
Wala record ba yan?
Ay, ito, picture.
Kal.
Picture to.
This one is dedicated for Gio. Sa bahay. Sa'yo ba yan? Sige. Lubak bakit? Calls me chicken. Ding, 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 ding. Yung magiging pinsan ni Gio.
Ikaw magawa ng mga ako magawa na? Tungkol sa mga
What a very nice deal by Gaylord.
kung gano'ng kalaki ang size difference.
Okay, that is gay shake. They hold their hands.
Wow.
It means they love each other. Okay, we are experiencing content. I shall shut down in T minus 3, 2, 1.